Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you know how to catch a star? This book is fun, fun, fun. At a quick glance, you can see how nice these pages are and how fun and colorful they are. Filled with a lot of cool and creative ideas, the kids really get to explore their imagination. My daughter loves this book, so does my son. Seeing their little hands just turn the pages definitely makes me happy because they really are enjoying reading and looking at the colors and seeing all the wonderful things in this book that there is to see. I really love the font. It's super fun and easy to read for beginner readers. And a fun font mixed with fun pictures just makes it a fun book. The pages are really smooth too, so that's cool. So if you're looking for a really fun book to really show your kids' imagination and help them to be creative, I would definitely recommend this book. We love it. We read it pretty often, and I also read it to my students in the classroom, and they like it as well. It's also a lot of fun projects you could do based off of this book. I am going to keep using it, and that's my point of view.